They like, hey, light skin, what you doing, where you going when your night in? I'm just trying to chase a chick, don't need no guy friends. Did you kind of spend a bag or you just like...
Using the red from the James Charles palette, and I'm using the Morphe Brush E18, and I'm packing this onto my crease and buffing it out at the same time. Taking the orange from the James Charles palette, and I'm just placing this right on top of the red and blending them both out together. Watching this video, I'm just noticing that my eyelash is on a gangster lean. Do a favor for me and just don't acknowledge it. Taking a bit more of the red from the James Charles palette, I'm just adding this because the orange kind of took over, and now I'm concealing with my LA Girl Pro Concealer to cut my crease. As well, in Canada, we have March break, so comment under below how your March break is going and what you've done so far. Taking the yellow color from the James Charles palette, and I'm using the Morphe Brush M124 to pack this on. Once again, using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just cutting out my crease again, and I'm using the brush M421. Here I'm patting the concealer so it could dry a bit so it can get a bit tacky, and I'm using the MAC brush 252S. As well, I'm using my Inglot pigment, and I'm packing this on into the crease. I took the orange and red from the palette, and I'm putting it near my lash line, and I'm smoking it out, well, buffing it out mainly. And now I'm just adding some mascara to my eyelashes. These are from Rossi B Lashes in Extra AF. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.